Hi guys, and thank you very much for coming back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments and all that. It would be great if you subscribed if you haven't already. And yeah, anyway, I'll catch you later on at the end of the video. So for now, ciao. Oh, you like a revolving door, don't you? Yeah. I get lights and you get a revolving door. And the lights are not very good in here, so... No, you've got the excitement with the revolving doors. Oh, I'll get some later, no doubt. Oh, you look lovely, nice and bright.
Sorry?
You look lovely, nice and bright.
Thank you.
Hi guys, just to let you know, I'm out with Scorpion Audits today, so let's have some fun.
Any of those guys who invested in
That won't stop me climbing over it if I wanted to. I reckon I could get over that, just.
They really didn't like that, did they?
No.
I've actually got a mate that works at HSBC.
Uh-huh.
I'll message him later.
Yeah, you'll probably hear about it, eh?
Alright, so let's get it done. You wanted to see a bit of Billingsgate, didn't you? It's just down here.
Yeah.
Won't be able to get to it from here.
No. We used to call them cigarette breaks.
Just a quick security question. So basically,
Well, I'm not doing anything
security.
to get security.
No, obviously, I'm just making sure. Do you see? Also, after you.
Yeah, I think they're gonna get educated.
Sorry?
I think they're gonna educate you.
Ah, that's fine, no worries, yeah?
Yeah.
I was just speaking my...
Yeah, we're gonna carry on with our lawful activities, is that alright?
that's fine, no worries.
Yeah.
Famous.
Yeah. I think it's my face to be one of the things when I do come into work. I go, what are you doing here? Thinking, I just thought, oh yeah, no, that was Twin. He was a white bastard. I'll have a word with him for you, that's what
Hello.
You never tell me when you're No, I don't have to. Yeah? Yeah, I don't have to. Why are you wearing black shoes?
Appointment at the moment.
Oh, right. Why are you wearing a red tie?
What's the reason for
Oh, I don't have to tell you. It's against my policy, you see.
You see how all the Karens always hide behind the desk tucked down.
Got a nice bush around the side. Need a sombrero.
Yeah.
Need a sombrero. It's like a Mexican standoff.
You wouldn't like to tell me
I don't
why
have to.
why you put it?
I don't have to. Yeah, very good, thank you.
Yeah, good.
Hello, mate.
Hi,
All
sir,
right.
you okay?
Yeah, very good.
Yep, just say hello.
Tell you?
Hello.
Right. Yeah, good security working here, like.
Are you security?
Yeah,
You
of
sure?
course, yeah.
Yeah, you're missing something. It's got something on.
All right, sir. It's right there, sir.
Yeah, it's been on display.
Yeah. How's it going now?
Behind your jacket, it's not on display.
Yep. It's there, sir.
Yeah, but behind your jacket, it's not on display. Inside the jacket.
How you doing, sir? You okay?
I'm very good, yeah.
How can I help?
Just making sure you're following your licensing conditions.
All right, there you go,
Still
sir.
not following that, sir.
Have you got a license?
I need one.
Yeah, you do.
I need a license, do I?
Yes.
Okay.
You need a permit.
I need a permit. I've got a
Oh,
permit.
got a permit.
I've
Have you got a permit from the...
I've got a
Give
permit.
us it.
Yeah, I can show him
No,
the
give us your
permit.
camera.
Okay, just hold it up.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
I'll show him a permit. I've got a permit. Here you go. Permit to fog.
Oh, well, look at that, man.
There's my permit. Permit to fog. Permit to fog. Oh, I'm gonna have a good day.
Appreciate it.
And you.
Yeah, I know we're good day. Yeah. See, when you ask silly questions, I do silly things.
Oh,
Yeah, because I don't need a permit.
all right, cool. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Cheers. Thank you.
Okay. It's funny. Sometimes it kills it, and other times it works.
Well,
So.
no, it's modification.
Yeah.
The idea of permit to fog is to highlight how ridiculous they're being.
Yeah.
So I'm being ridiculous by getting Kermit the Pobber.
It's just that whether you want to kill it that quick, or whether you'd rather carry on.
I'm not. Either way, you get the reaction that you get.
Yeah, well, you get a lot of laughs at your viewers, that's for
But
sure.
The idea of it is, they're asking a ridiculous question, i.e., where's your permit?
Yeah.
I don't need a permit, so I'll get Kermit the Pobber.
And license.
Equally as ridiculous.
And a license apparently you need. Yeah.
Okay, let's crack on.
Yeah. That's interesting, isn't it? Oh. Afternoon.
that your policy?
Our policy.
Yeah, my policy says I can.
That's fair enough, but I just have to tell you
Okay.
that the cameras that are aware of your being
Okay, so you're allowed to film me, but I'm not allowed to film you.
for security reasons.
Well, this is my security.
That's fair enough.
Dangerous area.
Might do-
You get people approaching you don't know.
It was pretty safe. Just for
But the area's pretty safe.
Yes.
So why do you need security then?
Just for hostile reconnaissance.
So you think I'm doing hostile reconnaissance?
I'm not saying anything, but
just
anybody could do anything.
Yeah.
So that's why we just have to inform you. So if you would rather not, and then you could carry on.
I'm going to carry on, yeah. I'm going to carry on.
Carry on with the days, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm carrying on filming. We've got cameras. Guess what? So have I.
Just because they're worried about cameras, they think we are. One's coming out with a mask on. Mask to your left, but I don't think he's going somewhere else now. Must have a cough.
Big reception areas, but they're really like bland, aren't they?
They're massive though, aren't they?
Like,
They must hate it when we go round in twos and I sort of follow you behind up, go in different areas, because they can't really cover both of us, can they, in most cases? Hi again, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, maybe you could subscribe for me. That'd be really great. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one. But for now, ciao.